Cameras are recording, and you know what that means? It means the boy is back again on your screens. Coming back with another video. Well, for those who do not know me, my name is Terry Beach, and I do content, right? Well, trading based content. I'm a trader, forex trader, for those who do not know. Yeah, man. So I've been recording my trading journey. Well, I have some couple of videos that I've archived, but well, let me not dwell too much on that one. So yeah, I was dropping content, although I was not that consistent. However, along the way, I dropped out, well, because of certain things that I had to attend to. So I was away from, YouTube. But now I'm back. I'm back. And when I say I'm back, I mean I'm back. I'm here to stay. I'm back.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm back. Previously, I was trading my personal account, and this time around, we're trading Propfirms. Not for small boys. Not for small boys. For you to get money there, you must pass certain evaluations. For you to be a funny trader, well, I'm gonna explain what Propfirms are probably in the next video. But well, just wanna let you all know that the boy is back. And today we're gonna be buying another account. Buy another one. Account, right? So yeah, I'll buy a two-phase account. I think with Comit Capital, because I've been trading Comit Capital, and well, yeah, I have a discount code, so I'm gonna trade with them. And yeah, let me take you through the journey of a funded trader. That's me.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you
We don't care.
Yeah, there's kids here. Like Wanataba, this is not for small boys. We're not here to play. So anyways, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified next time I drop. Famous trader from Miami once said, whenever in doubt, just set and forget. So
Just let the challenge continue. I'll see you this week.
$1 million Rari got the part beside the push.
without any further ado, let's operate something. Well, like I said, the boy is a funded trader, right? See, status says quas. And here are my two certificates. Well, since I was trading a two-phase account, well, this one was for passing evaluation on the first phase, and this one was for passing evaluation 2, which made me a funded trader. But without any further ado, let's buy another account. Let's go to challenges and purchase another account. So like I said, this Comit Capital portal, two-phase. Well, these are the type of accounts that they sell. There's a two-phase challenge, there's a classic account, there's a one-phase, and an instant funding. So let's go for the two-phase, and we're gonna buy it as South African rands. So you can either use RTQ markets or space markets, and I prefer space markets. Okay, 690. Buy now. Let me use Paystack. Paystack. Promo code, I think it's April 40 or something. April 40, let's see. Okay, code applied. So we're gonna be purchasing the account with 414 rand. So yes, declare, proceed to payment. So yeah, I just made the purchase, right? Sales status, it says in progress, which means the account is active. Well, I was purchasing a 25k account with a two-phase, and I'll be trading with Comit Capital under space markets. So all I need to do now is to get my credentials on my email and connect it to my MetaTrader 5, which says, yeah, platform is MetaTrader 5. And well, obviously with trade with that thingy Propfirms, there's rules, man. We're trading with rules here. You don't just freelance your trades. There's so much rules that are involved. There's a daily drawdown of 1,250 and overall drawdown for 2.5, and you can only move to the next phase after 3 trading days, right? So what I'm trying to say is that even if I were to pass my account today, I wouldn't be able to move to the next phase until I complete the 3 trading days. But well, like I said, I'm gonna explain what Propfirms are and how they work on the next video. So yeah, well, I was just taking through the chain of purchasing the account. So well, yeah, I'll meet you guys whenever we executing trades. So yeah, guys, I just connected my account to my MetaTrader 5. So well, here, right, it's a deposit of 25k. So reason why it says demo, it's because I'm still on evaluation. The minute I pass my phase 2, then they will remove that demo, because now I'll be trading the actual funds, right? So well, these are my pairs. Let me just delete everything that I won't be trading and add what I will be trading, right? Start with gold. I'll be trading gold, obviously, and I'll be trading some indices as well. So let me go to indices, German date, the Nasdaq, and USA date. Then lately I've been trading oil as well. Oil, US oil, yes. So yeah, guys, I'll take you through. Let me go to gold chart. Well, I had analyzed the sell on gold. However, yeah, let me just switch back to the PC. So well, I analyzed using my trading view, right? So I had analyzed sells on gold because the overall market, right, is bearish. We created a new low here, and today is a Monday. It jumped, and obviously that means we broke the previous low and created another one, and it went back. So basically we are on a bearish market, right? So I had analyzed the sell before I started recording the introduction of the video. Well, it happened that before I could even purchase the account, gold started moving and shooting towards the downside, right? But now I won't be chasing it. I'll just wait for it to break this level right here. Then if it breaks here with a momentum or a candlestick that has so much momentum, then I'll wait for retest. Then that's when I can be ready to execute my sales. So for now, I'm just gonna wait, I'll wait for you to play out and see if it's gonna continue with the sell or what will happen. So yeah, guys, in case maybe it breaks here and retest, then I'll let you know when it's time to execute trades. Oh snap, guys, I forgot to record this thing. But anyways, I took a buy on German dairy. Well, according to my analysis, German dairy has to push up and up until this level here, right? So yeah, although I'm not quite so sure if it's gonna reach here, so I just took a little risk, nothing too deep, but yeah. However, yeah, let's see how it plays out. For now, we're just gonna set and forget. So guys, this is a trade update. I entered another buy on German 30 with the 0.04 lot size. So we are now running 263 rand. However, we will, set and forget. We will set and forget. So yeah, guys, I was just giving you a trade update. We're running 240 something, so we'll come back to it later on. I ended up taking a loss on German 30, right? Well, I decided to close the trades because it's something that I've spotted, right? Where is it? German 30, right? So here, clearly, when I tune into 1 minute, right? This one, it was more like a liquidity sweep, right? It was more like a liquidity sweep. That's when I was holding the 200 and something profit, and after it literally shut down, right? It shut down. So I was like, no ways, I'm not gonna take a high loss because of stop loss. So let me just close my trades because I see this thing is really not going according to my direction. Like, look at how it is shooting to the downside. Probably by now I would have hit my stop loss already, right? So I saw it earlier and I was like, no, I'm gonna close that. However, on gold, right? On gold, there was a setup that I had. Ooh, man, this is shooting up so nice. There was a setup that I had for sales, and right now I'm holding profit of 450, right? So yeah, I took that trade. Let me just switch to the screen. So yeah, guys, as you saw, this is the setup that I had earlier on. I was like, if gold is gonna break this position right here or this level, then I'll be looking for my sells, right? Because initially I was supposed to sell here. So, well, since this is a psychological level, there was some few touches here: first touch, second touch, third touch. I had anticipated that if gold's gonna come to this level at some point, it will need to react, right? Well, it reacted, went back to where I was supposed to initially execute my trade, but well, I was doing some things on the side. I couldn't be able to take it from here, so I had to wait for it to move to the downside. So when I tune into my 5-minute time frame, let me go to one. You see what it did here? It gave us a proper head and a shoulder. So this is where I took my trade, right here, the cells that you saw. So I will be holding it up until here, right? My stop loss is above this level, so it's more like a 1 to 3 trade, right? So yeah, I'll be holding it up until here. Hopefully this time around we do not hit a stop loss, but for now let's just set and forget. We are holding 800, guys. We are on 800. Ooh, look at that, damn. So yeah, we're holding 800, and yeah, I think this thing played pretty much well. So let's wait and see how far we're going down, how far we're gonna take it to the downside. But hey, for now, man, we are moving so nice. Seems like it wants to reject or something, but like I said, let's set and forget. Trade update, guys. Unfortunately it happened that we took an L on gold. I'm losing my mind. Stop loss hit. So remember, I was waiting for the price to push and break this level. Well, it did that, but it pushed back with a momentum. See, the candlestick has so much momentum. So at that point, that's when I started, realizing that, oh snap, we might be going for my stop loss. But well, it's okay. We took an L on gold. However, I had more setups. There was Nasdaq that I analyzed, although I did not take the trades. But well, yeah. This is how beautifully it played out. Then on USA 30, I analyzed USA 30 when we were approaching the fundamentals, New York session, right? And I took buys here. I'm gonna put the screenshot. I took buys on USA 30, of which I was able to recover the loss. And so it's 2 more days of trading up until we can be able to move to the next phase if we pass our evaluation phase. So yeah, this is the trade that we took first, of which was, I think it was Gemin 30, but we took a stop loss hit here. So yeah, USA 30 did pay. We were able to recover our loss and make some profits. So I think we're gonna close it on that one today. We are up 1,000 rand. We're up 1,000 rand, so we are short with 1.5 to pass our first phase. Yes, that's pretty much it for today. So if you stayed up until this far, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can see me again, and the notification bell so that you're notified next time I drop. And without any further ado, I'll see you on the next one.